Recording this tower, Whelen Tower of Hockey Post with
the WX radio collector.
And this thing will be going off here shortly. I got the scanner ready, and do not self-activate the scanner. Do not mess with the scanner's frequencies and try to activate the damn sirens, because it'll get you in trouble.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get started!
It is a high pitch. I hear the lower pitch one. This thing sounds more quiet than usual.
Let's see if it's a 1 minute alert.
It's gonna do a 1 minute. Still going? Oh, there it goes. Let's get the ambience. That's an analog.